Grayling love to eat dry flies, and if you don't know which dry fly to use an L. caricatus. There you go. Look at that. Oh, there you go. Oh, just right there. Just fiddling with the camera. And now that seems like a good eating size one. Just dozens of these graylings rising to flies. Another two nice grayling right there. That's enough. I got enough fish for dinner tonight, but I want to catch a few more just for fun. Oh, there you go. Oh my goodness. What a beautiful fish. Keep thinking about those thermals I left in the car last night. My legs are really wet and cold. I'm really tempted to take the gun and the bike and do the 6-mile round trip back to the car to go get my thermals. And with this better weather, there's a decent chance I might see a ptarmigan on the trail too.